In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur in GIMP. If you're looking to soften an image, reduce distracting detail, or create a gentle out-of-focus effect, this simple process will get you there quickly and cleanly. We'll keep it straightforward and focus on the essential controls so you get a result that looks intentional and professional. Start by opening your image in GIMP. You can do this by launching GIMP and loading the file, or by dragging your image into the workspace. Once it's open, take a second to consider the size of the image and the kind of blur you want. Larger, high-resolution images often need a higher blur amount to make a visible difference, while smaller images respond to more modest settings. Next, head to the top menu and navigate to Filters, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Gaussian Blur is the standard all-purpose blur tool in GIMP. It applies a smooth, evenly distributed blur that softens edges and blends details without introducing harsh artifacts. As soon as you select it, a dialog window will appear, usually with a live preview that lets you see the impact before you commit. Now, adjust the radius to control how strong the blur appears. Think of the radius as the size of the area each pixel samples from its neighbors. A small radius introduces a slight smoothing, perfect for gently softening skin or reducing minor noise. Increasing the radius produces a more pronounced, dreamy defocus that can help push backgrounds out of attention and emphasize overall shapes rather than fine details. Start with a low value and move upward gradually. It's easier to add more blur than to dial back from an overly strong effect. Keep an eye on the preview and, if needed, zoom in and out of your image to judge how the blur reads at different scales. Subtlety often looks more natural, while larger radius values can be used for stylized looks or to obscure sensitive or busy areas. If your image is very large, expect that higher radius values may take a bit longer to render. When you're satisfied with how it looks in the preview, click OK to apply the blur to the image. GIMP will process the effect and update your canvas with the softened result. That's the whole workflow. Open your image, go to Filters, Blur, Gaussian Blur, set the radius to taste, and confirm. With a few thoughtful adjustments, Gaussian Blur can transform a sharp, cluttered scene into a smooth, polished composition that draws the viewer's eye exactly where you want it.